Welcome to my channel. Let us learn the perimeters of different shapes. First shape, square. Square. We already know that all the four sides of these squares and angles are equal. For example, if this side is A, then this side also A, and this side also A, and this is also A. Here AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. This means all the sides of the squares are equal. So if we want to find perimeter of the square, what to do? If we want to calculate the perimeter of any shape, we combined all the sides of that shape, we can get the perimeter. This is the square. So we can combine all the sides of this square, then we got perimeter of this shape, square shape. See, this side, we can call this side as a. So A, this is A, plus this side A, and this is also A. Four sides. So A plus A plus A plus A is equals to 4A. A small example. For example, A is equals to 5 centimeters. So, then this is 5 centimeters and this side also 5 centimeters. This side also 5 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. Then we know if A equal to 5 centimeters, then perimeter is 4 into A. What is A here? 5. So 20 centimeters. Fine. Next learned about rectangle. Rectangle. In the square all sides are equal. In the rectangle opposite sides are equal. Here AD and BC are equal and BA and CD are equal. See, AD is equals to BC and AB is equals to CD. Why? Because the rectangle properties are opposite sides are equal. For example, if AD is equals to A, AD is equals to B, then BC also B. If AB equals to A, then CD equals to A. How do we calculate the perimeter of the rectangle? If it is any shape, if we want to calculate the perimeter, we should combine all the sides of that shape. Here combine all the sides. Here B plus A, this side again B, and this is A. So B plus B, 2B, A plus A, 2A. Here 2 is the like term. So we can common the 2 and B plus A. So we can write A plus B. 2 into A plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle. For example, A equals to 3, B equals to 4 centimeters. If it is 3 centimeters, then CD also 3 centimeters. AD 4 centimeters, then BC is 4 centimeters. So what is the formula here? Perimeter of the rectangle 2 into a plus b. 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 7 is equals to 14 centimeters is our answer. Okay, clear? Next we are going to discuss about triangle. How do we calculate the perimeter of the triangle? We already know the triangle contains 3 sides, A, B, C. So let us see how do we calculate the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter. Here sides are, triangle has a 3 sides. How do we calculate the perimeter of the triangle? If we want the perimeter, we combined all the sides of the particular shape. Here the triangle 3 sides are there. So if we take AC as a and AB as B and BC as a C, then what is the perimeter? Yes, A plus B plus C. Let us see an example. Small a is equals to 4 centimeters and B is equals to 3 centimeters. C is equals to 5 centimeters. Like 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Then what is the perimeter? Is equals to A plus B plus C. What is A here? 4 centimeters. What is B here? 3 centimeters. What is C here? 5 centimeters. Sum of all these, 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters is the perimeter of this triangle. Clear? Next we discussed about rhombus. Now we are going to discuss about rhombus perimeter. According to the properties of rhombus, all sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal. So we know that if we want the perimeter of particular shape, we can combine all the sides of this shape. So what is the perimeter? Is equals to combined all the shapes. Here all sides are equal. So if it is A, this is also A, this is also A and this is also A. So A plus A plus A plus A is equals to 4A. Yes, it is like a square. So example. Perimeter of rhombus. A is equals to 4 centimeters. Then we want perimeter of the rhombus. 4A. 4 into A is 4 centimeters. Then what is the answer? 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters is the perimeter of this particular shape or this particular rhombus. Next we are going to discuss about the parallelogram. How do we calculate the parallelogram perimeter? Let us see. Parallelogram is as like as rectangle. Here also two sides are equal. Opposite two sides are equal. Like perimeter of parallelogram is 2 into A plus B. Example. A equals to 5 centimeters, B equals to 10 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the parallelogram? 2 into A plus B. 2 into A is 5 centimeters and B is 10 centimeters. 2 into 15 centimeters. 2 15s are 30 centimeters. 30 centimeter is the perimeter of this particular parallelogram or particular shape. if we wants to find any shape perimeter, we can add all the sides of that particular shape. I hope you all are understand this.